Hi, I am Siddharth. I have completed my AWS Solution Architect course in Btree Systems, which is in Tiruvannur. My trainer is Mr. Dakshinamurthy, and he has assigned me a project on AWS CloudWatch. You will see what this CloudWatch is. Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring and a management service. We can collect and access all your performance and operation data in the forms of logs and metrics from a single platform. CloudWatch enables you to monitor your complete stack of application infrastructure, network, and services, and use alarms, logs, and events data to take automated action. In this project, we are going to set up an CloudWatch account for CPU utilization. Then we will create a subscription with an email address to receive the alert. So for running CloudWatch, you will have to create an instance. Go to Amazon account, then go to EC dashboard, then launch an instance. Now we are going to type of project. We will select Linux OS, 64-bit architecture, keeper. So I have already created a mini keeper, but even though we will create a new keeper. Next we have to go to CloudWatch, and we will be creating a new alarm. We have to copy and paste our instance ID. Before pasting it, we have to make sure our instance is up and running. Yes, it is up and running. So I'll copy this and paste here. We have to wait till our instance until initialization gets up. So now in our CloudWatch we can see that our state is in alarm, which means that our CloudWatch has been activated. So when we check our mail, we can see we have got our notification that the CloudWatch is activated for the project alarm. This details we'll see what are the things happening and why our alarm has got activated. That's all. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.